there wasn't a crumb to be found. Suddenly, something caught his eye. In the department store window across the street was a large display counter loaded with candy. In a flash, the greedy gremlin was out of the theater and into the store. Meanwhile, Kate led Billy behind the movie screen to the theater boiler room.
The building's furnace is in here.
Billy found the fuel line and turned it on.
If I can fill the place with gas, we can cause an explosion.
Gas hissed quickly into the room. Even Gizmo had to cover his mouth to keep from breathing the fumes. Billy backed out of the room, shutting an old rag in the door.
I'll use this as a fuse to ignite the gas. That'll give us time to get out of here.
Billy lit the rag.
Head for the exit, Kate! Fast!
At that very moment, the movie projector ran out of film. The gremlins were annoyed when the picture went off. But the next moment, they howled in rage when they saw Billy and Kate's silhouettes moving across the blank screen.